everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make a macrame candy cane Christmas ornament decoration. Before we get started, I just want to let you all know that I have 6 exclusive Christmas ornaments and 6 other macrame gift ideas for the upcoming holidays in my new macrame guides online at Retrieve Technologies. Please check out the link in the description to learn more. For this project, I am going to be using a 6-inch piece of wire. So you can use real wire, but in my case, I'm actually using paper clips that I unfolded. Take your first cord and fold it evenly in half and stick it right behind the wire. Then, using this cord, tie a half square knot around the wire. Now bring in your second cord and again place it directly behind the wire and attach it the same way using the half square knot. Stick these red cords out of the way, take your white cords again and tie a half square knot. The white cords go out of the way, we bring it down the red cords again and repeat. Now as you start to form your knots, it's going to start to spiral. So what you can do is you can kind of pinch it and help it spiral along. Okay, so once you get to the end, this is what your project will look like. And again, you can kind of just twist your pattern around just to help it get that fun spiral look. But otherwise, our next step is to secure our ropes down. Now, to finish out the bottom of my project, I'm actually going to tie one crown knot just to really lock this into place. So I'm separating my cords into 4 directions, one that goes up, one to the right, down, and to the left. I'm going to take the cord here on the very far right and cross it over the cord at the bottom. Now I'm going to take the cord coming down the bottom and take it over the 2 cords on the left. I'm going to take the cord that's originally coming out from the left, and it's going to cross over the 2 cords that are now at the top. Then the cord's coming straight up, the original one, it's going to go over, over, and then under. Okay? So you'll see that there's 3 cords here on the right side now, and it just goes over, over, and under. Then I'm just going to gently pull each cord to tighten up this crown knot. And this is what it will look like once you have that crown knot finished. Okay, so it's kind of a little box shaped or cross. And now I can take a pair of scissors and just trim off my ends right where they come out. So once you have those ends cut off, it might look a little messy because of the remaining pieces that are sticking out. So to secure this and make it a little nicer, I'm going to be using some fabric glue. You can also use hot glue as well for this. Just going to add a little dab of glue at the top where the wire maybe sticks out, just to make sure that our project doesn't pop off the wire. So I'm just kind of going around the top with my glue just to make sure it stays into place. Make sure you let your glue dry, whether you're using fabric glue or hot glue, before we move on to the next step. And once your candy cane's glue has dried, we're just going to shape the candy cane. So that wire in the center is what helps us shape it. So you just take the top and you're literally just going to curl it downwards until you have formed a candy cane shape. And of course, if you want your candy cane to be a little bit bigger or longer, you can always use a longer wire inside. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.